Alright, let's do some Mathity-Math. It says here, write the equation that shows that the top line is the same length as the bottom line. When presenting your final answer, combine all like terms. Okay, so pretty straightforward. As always, I think it's important to think about what we're doing here. It says, write the equation. Okay, so that means we do know there's going to be an equal sign. That's good news. We're one step closer. So when we look at this, it says, I want you to show me that the top line is equal to the bottom line. And visually, you can see this makes sense. This line lines up here, and this line lines up here, and they are, in fact, clearly the same length. So now we just want to express that mathematically by writing an equation. So we're just going to tell the story of this diagram, but with an equation. So when we look here, the top one, pretty straightforward. We have 68, so no big deal there. I'm just going to write 68. And like I said, it's an equation, so we are going to put in an equal sign. And then the next step is we just have to look down here and see what's happening. So all of these pieces are kind of adding together to build that length. So for the first step, we can just kind of build it just like it's laid out in front of you. So I'm going to say I have a 4x, and then I add to that another 8x, and then I added to that a 32. And just be careful here because you're not actually done, because it does say combine all like terms. So let's make sure we take care of that final step. So looking here, 68, again, that's already done. Thank you very much. And so looking over here, we have a constant 32 with no variable, and then we have this x variable, these numbers with the x variable. So we just add the coefficients. 4 plus 8 is 12. And we just bring the x, because it's 12 x's. And plus 32. And that's that. We have now told this story as an equation. So I'm just going to put a box on that, and we are done. As always, if you want more practice, don't forget to subscribe. And if there's a problem you want me to make for you, just leave a comment below, and I'll try to get that done for you. Thanks.